Hey everybody, it's Jim with Service Media. I want to take you through a quick walkthrough of the Spacetime Railroad app. Here we are at spacetimerailroad.com. You'll see some pictures that are links here on the home page. On the desktop, these links will take you to a web player and show you that content. I'll just illustrate that real quickly. So here we are. This scene is a procedural height map that's textured at runtime, and it has some content, some pictures and audio that and text that I've uploaded. So what I want to show you real quick is the process where I create and customize and share these scenes. And to do that, we'll go to servicemedia.net. This is a custom world building platform that I made to support this. It's a multi-user system. So each user gets their own, cloud space, so to speak, to save their content and share it with others. We've got audio, pictures. One thing to note about the audio is it's transcoded to both OGG and MP3, so it works across platforms. And the pictures are also resized to various scales, so they work in different contexts in the scenes. So real quickly, I'm just going to show you the process to create a new scene. Call it that. The domain is to support multiple applications and sites on the same back end. So let's save that. And now we see the one that we just created. Note that it's got a unique 6-digit shortcode here. That's going to be the unique identifier that we use as the parameter to summon these scenes. So this is the primary editing panel for the scene content. There's a lot here. I'm not going to go through all of it. I'm just going to quickly create a new environment. We'll choose a height map. Let's go with that one. Simple water, a dynamic sky with some effects. Let's pick some nice colors for the sky and colorize it. Yeah, and let's add a few pictures here. These pictures are in the picture view that the user has uploaded. So these are just some test pictures that I added for this. We'll scatter world meshes and world objects. I'll get into that, the details of that in a later video, but let's also pick some audio. Yeah. Okay, finally we'll add a little text. Note that the delimiter character here breaks the phrases up, so when the text is displayed in the world space, it's in manageable chunks. We've got a toggle here to loop or not, so let's just make that loop. Okay, we're going to save this. One thing that we can do is share it with others, so I'm just going to send this to myself. Now, when I go to Gmail, should see, yes, there's the new scene that we just shared, the link with the parameter that we created. And again, on the mobile, the web player obviously won't load, but you'll tap that button and it will open the scene in the same way that it does on the desktop. So we've got cross-platform deep linking capability. This is a plugin that I wrote, and it'll work on Android and iOS. So here we are. Let's just view this demo scene. So it's loading the audio that we entered. And we can see now we're in an immersive virtual environment. If we drop off of the rail, we can navigate around, and there we see the pictures that we uploaded. That's all I got. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.